Have you heard of MHRB but aren't sure what it is? MHRB stands for Mimosa Hostilis Root Bark, a natural botanical material sourced from the roots of the Mimosa Hostilis tree. Native to parts of Brazil and Mexico, Mimosa Hostilis has been valued for generations due to its strong root system, durable wood, and versatile root bark. The root bark is known for its rich natural tannins, deep color pigments, and high fiber content, making it a popular botanical material for various traditional and industrial applications. Premium MHRB is typically harvested, cleaned, dried, and processed into shredded or powdered forms to ensure consistency and quality. Today, MHRB is widely traded in global botanical and natural ingredient markets, attracting interest from researchers, artisans, and businesses around the world. At Medikonda Nutrients, we focus on sourcing and supplying premium quality Mimosa Hostilis root bark with strict quality control and bulk supply capabilities. For more insights on MHRB sourcing, processing, and industry trends, stay connected with Medikonda Nutrients.